Hello everyone, this time we are learn about the blending color with watercolor. So this time you have to choose two different color and combine them to join them become one piece. Okay, so the first practice, we have to choose two color. So I'm gonna choose the green color and a blue color. Okay, they are called cool color family. So first green. Let me get my green ready. My first color, green. Okay, make my green more. Then my second color is blue. So let's get my blue color ready on the other side. Don't mix them yet, okay? So now two colors should look pure, very clean and neat, okay? So these two colors should be clean for now. You're not going to mix any color yet. Okay? So, do you see I'm right A, B, B. Okay, so which means in this box, we only color the green color. And the second box, we are going to mix green and blue, but we have more green, less blue. And the third box, we are going to have more less green and more blue. And the last one, we have just blue. Okay, so that's C. So I have to make sure my brush is clean, okay? So the first one is the green color, as we say, is only for one single color. Okay, and this time I'm going to bring the green at the middle. We have more green and little tiny bit blue. So I changed the color a little bit. Just little tiny bit blue. Okay, then the third one we have to apply more blue. Okay, more blue. So you have to color them very neat. Okay. Then the last one, I have to wash my brush. No more green on my brush. Release the water and just blue. Okay, then you are going to have the green color to the blue color. Okay, so let's try one more time to do our practice 2. So same, you can choose any two color you like. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter which two color you want to choose, but you have to think about it. If you choose some color that is making a brown color, the color doesn't look good, but you can try. For example, if you choose green and purple, the purple mixed with the green, you will got the brown color. Even the orange and the greens, okay? So the color won't look good. So you can try to choose another color, okay? So the last one I want to try is the blues and red. So I want to color with the blue first. Then I will transform the blue into the red. So I have to make sure my brush is clean. My color ready. I have to make sure my brush clean before I start to mixing other color. Okay, so again, first box, just the blue itself. Okay, make sure your watercolor looks liquid. If the watercolor start to dry up, you have to add a little bit water to mix on your color. Okay, so blue a little bit red. So we will have purple. Just a little bit red. I just accidentally add too much. Even more red. And just red. So I have to wash my brush, remove the water. Okay, so now it's your time to practice.